Here we have a 17-plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the full M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter, we have the gloss black front grills as well. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, we have the shark fin antennae up top, the privacy glass for the rear passengers. There's a look at the third alloy wheel. We have the carbon fibre rear spoiler just there, which sits nice and aggressive. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the twin pipe exhaust at the rear, along with the rear diffuser. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. There's a look at the final alloy wheel, and then taking a look now at the interior. So inside of here you'll find we have the full leather interior. We have the 2 seats at the front and also the 2 at the back with the fixed ISO points. Refundable armrests, we have the blue stitching. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable and also heated. Driver's seat has the memory function. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights and automatic wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. We have the dashboard just there, speed limiter and the cruise control with the high beam assist. We have the climate control just down there with the ice cold air conditioning, the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. We have the sat nav, DAB radio and plenty of other features as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.